Now I'll show you how you can create a post on your website, like where you have created your website. So here you will see there is no any post, there's nothing here. So what you will do, just you will go there, means you have to log in into blogger.com, visit on blogger.com, and after that what you have to do, just click on new post. If you will see there, so if you are not seeing this new post, so just click on this logo. If you will click on this logo, this will refresh it, and there you will see new post. So what you have to do, just click on new post. After that, give the title of the post, like I'll explain about WordPress. Okay, I'll copy the demo text, and what I'll do, just I'll copy it and I'll paste it over here. And in the post you will see post settings. So here you have to provide the label, means in which label, which category. Like suppose like this is a category, like if I'll give there, so I'll give there WordPress, that's also a category I can mention over there. Just you have to label the things, you have to label the posts. How many labels you want, you can include those labels here. After that there will show published date. So if you will set the published date, so what will happen, on that date this post will be automatically published. If you will choose automatic, so it will be published automatically, like now you will publish it, that will be published. So I will not do anything, just I will put it on automatic. After that there would be a permalink option. Here you have to choose permalink, like whatever you will type on the title section, that would be appear automatically here after the date. Whatever months and years would be today, that month and year would be automatically captured here. If you want to change anything from this, so what you have to do, just click on custom permalink, and here you can type whatever you want, but I will choose automatic permalink. After that there would be a location option. So here you can choose the location, from which location you are posting, so just choose it over here, but I'll not choose. And there is a option. So in the option there is reader comments. If you want like no one can comment on your post, so what you have to do, you have to check from these options, like do not allow show existing, means whatever comments would be there on the post, existing comments, that would be there. If you want like no one can comment and no one can see the comments, whatever comments have been made, so you can choose this, but I will choose allow, means I want like anyone can comment on my post. After that what you have to do, just go and click on publish. If you will click on publish button, and if you will confirm it, then if you will visit to your website and then you will refresh it, then here you will see the post. This is the post explain about WordPress. Anyone can click on read more button, then he or she can see your post, whatever you have written. If you find any issue, if you find any doubt, just comment on the comment section. See you in the next video.